Uba Sanbor Shulai MLA ke Shillong South baru Badairu Deputy Chief Whip ke Sarkar Jala baru Chairman ke MTDC Hinin ka Artarik Urisau Arhaja Arpo ula play ke building thamai ke School Madan Laban Nepali Secondary School Kabadan Hamadan Laban Shillong kani ke jingyo building thamai jo Madan Laban Nepali Secondary School kadai ke balayo jarap na ke Asian Development Bank ya ke balai rap anpinyo ru MLA ke Shillong South Uba Sanbor Shulai ke jinglut na ke benta kani ke jingtai ke building thamai jo kani ke school kalong hadu chiklor nripulak tingka Ubasan bor hapa ajing plan hakani kesngi ulo ang bakandai na kashispa ki khana school ki bapuli hakani ke school ki dei ki bawa na kalong yeng ka baduk bar kumtar ka jingyo building thamai kan long ka jingkar khui ki khana school lambar ya ka school ru
because as you are all aware 99.9% the student accommodate or studies in the school are those who hails from a poor background, the poor BPL family of our area, Greater Laban area, Middle Laban, adjoining areas. 99.9%. And their parents are those who are domestic workers, daily laborers, and when we are young, even those who are riding pony carts, and also the beauty of the policy of the school, you will see that this school accommodates poor BPL comprises of all communities residing within our area, Greater Laban area and adjoining areas. You see. People will think that the name of the school is the Maralaban Nepali Secondary School. That may be their thought in the mind that only the students of Nikubari community are studying here. No. What I could learn that 40% or 42 to 45% students which belongs to the Khasi community, hailing from the poor family, are all studying in the school.